Welcome to the Nihon Superior booth here at INTERNEPCON Japan. Delighted to be joined by my old friend Tetsuro Nishimura.
Nice to meet you again.
Welcome Tetsuro.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Okay. So, three rather exciting products to talk about today. I want to start with essentially a plating material that you use for the PCB process, which is the SM100C P506D4. Can you explain maybe to our viewers a little bit about the properties of this material?
All right. As you know, S1C is a very famous alloy, which I invented, developed, and this alloy has a very nice performances, and the soldering reliability is very nice. So that's why we manufacture solder paste and bar solders and quad solder, and also, as you said, for the surface level, we call hassle, can use this alloy.
So therefore, the SM100C P506D4 is ideal for plating because it's got a nickel germanium base to it, which is good for plating the board through hassle.
Right. And this is a solder paste. It performs very nice solder connection. So that's why reliability is much higher than the other electric solder.
And it comes in a bar form as well.
Yes, that's right. It's a very, very common alloy already. More than 15 years we have experiences and no failure. That's very nice and cheaper.
That's good. Excellent. Cheap is always good, Tetsuro. Okay, so complementing this alloy, you have a new paste over here, which is the SN100CV. Now, this is used for the assembly process.
Yeah, because we manufacture S1C, and we invented the bismuth addition alloy. Especially this is harder solder itself. So that's why much tougher for the SMT components connection.
So basically, the bismuth gives it a higher tensile strength, which
bismuth dissolve into the tin matrix. So that's why get harder after the soldering. So that's why more reliable alloy in the liquid solder, because that S1CV performs better than the SAC.
So it has a better performance, better strength than SAC 305, and it's using, as I say, copper, nickel, germanium, bismuth composition.
Correct.
So this is used primarily a lot in automotive applications. This is what you're designing it for?
Yes, this is designed for the more higher reliability products. So it works very nice.
So talking about high reliability products, you also have a Nanosilver product I'd like to look at. So can we go across to the other side of the booth and look at that? Thank you. So Tetsuro, here we are at the Nanosilver product that we talked about. It's the Akonano.
That's right. This one is a Nanosilver and covered with alcohol. Yeah. This one can use for the sintering process.
Right. Okay. So you're going to produce this as a thermal interface material that will be in a sheet form that then you use in the sintering process.
Correct. And this one is paste and apply here, and with pressure and some heat, so can get a very nice joint bond.
And of course, one of the benefits of that is it eliminates voiding.
As you know, this is like concrete, so that's why quite tough.
It gives a very strong bond for sure.
Yes, that's right.
And it replaces a lot of other processes as well. Although with sintering you have to make an investment in capital equipment, it is still a very cost-effective way of bonding.
because Nanosilver, after the sintering, it doesn't dissolve. This is the pure silver, so that's why it doesn't dissolve 960 degrees Celsius. So that's why I can use very high temperature this product.
And this is available now? This has just been released now, or is it available in the future?
Now we are manufacturing in Osaka, and we are going to manufacture more big amount in Japan. We are now investing.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, okay, good. So finally, I just want to mention Tetsuro. Since the last time we spoke, you celebrated your 50th anniversary, which is obviously a very big milestone for any company. You're now in your third generation of family member with Takitoshi coming on board. Where do you see the future going for Nihon Superior?
Actually, we are developing a new alloy and products, and also our customer looking forward high reliability products. So that's why we want to do more focus on high power module and also car industries. This is our focus.
So you want to really concentrate on the high reliability end of the business, which is technically more challenging, but presumably more profitable.
And also, I want to introduce for soldering for aluminum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go across and have a quick look at that. Okay, so Tetsuro, here's the final product we're looking at today, the AluSac 35, which is it's an aluminum-based product, which I see you're using in terminations here. Can you explain what it is?
In the motor industry, they want to manufacture the products like a car, automobile, lighter. So that's why they want to use aluminum wiring. So this is a very nice product for aluminum. Only can survive. This is a alloy. Only can survive with a failure. So that's why I want to introduce this alloy more for the aluminum soldering process.
Okay, so what is it combined with? It's not pure aluminum, is it?
This is not aluminum. This is a solder.
Right.
Yeah, but can use for only on the aluminum.
I see. So you're using the soldering on the aluminum, basically. Okay, and that's just helps stop oxidization, or just reduce weight, or what is the main purpose?
Because aluminum have a very strong surface oxide, so that's why no one can solder so easily. But after soldered with this alloy, can survive much longer without no failure.
So there you go. That's the AluSac 35 from Nihon. So thank you very much, Tetsuro, for showing us the 4 new products that you have on the booth, and we look forward to hearing more from Nihon in the future.
That's right. Thank you.